Everyone, and welcome to break 3367 for the 2020 Topps Clearly Authentic Autograph Baseball Card. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time. According to eBay, it's Thursday, September 24th, 2020, 10:18 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:18 p.m. Central Time, and 7:18 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have 4 Zubbers, 3 spots, Simple Stubs, 10. Pies 5, Andy 5, Dab 1, Vince 1, VLK 2, Notorious 1, Die with 1, and Robert Man 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams of the break. Zubbers on top, Robert Man on the bottom once, twice, six. And lucky number 7 has Vince Fan on top, Simple Stubs on the bottom. Vince Fan with the Diamondbacks, Pies with the Braves, and the Orioles, it's Dab Red Sox. Simple Stubs with the Cubs, VLK White Sox, and the Reds. Simple Stubs with the Indians and the Rockies. Simple Stubs with the Tigers. Zubbers Astros, and the Royals. Simple Stubs with the Angels. Notorious Dodgers, Pies Marlins, and the Brewers. Robert Man Twins, VLK Mets. Simple Stubs with the Yankees. Zubbers with the Athletics. Simple Stubs Phillies. Burrow with the Pirates. Simple Padres Giants. Pies Mariners Cardinals Rays. Zubbers Rangers, Simple with the Blue Jays and the Washington Nationals. Alright guys, good luck. Let's see what we have here. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. We have Justin Dunn, Seattle Mariners, rookie auto. Sweet, congrats to Seattle. And the Seattle Mariners are going to Pies SWG. Congrats on break 3367 in the 2020 Topps Clearly Authentic Autograph Baseball Card. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then up next, we have break 3402 for the 2020 Leaf Valiant football card box. Thanks.